We're going to take a look at two types of mental rehearsal, otherwise known as pre-rehearsal, which can be used prior to any physical rehearsal. This type of powerful rehearsal is not just useful for actors and performers, but can also be employed in a variety of life circumstances for positive effect. Whilst mental pre-rehearsal may not give you a perfect real-life outcome, it's a far better practice than hoping for the best and seeing what happens. It also helps to steady nerves and build confidence well ahead of any event. There are two types of pre-rehearsal. The first is visual, the second is emotional. Both types of rehearsal activate the imagination, so let's take a quick look at how to use each kind as an exercise. Visualization involves seeing yourself physically practicing the action that you'll need to take for an event. With pre-mental rehearsal, you can visualize an actual rehearsal and in time progress to visualizing the final event. Visualizing involves activating your imagination so that you can see this rehearsal in your mind's eye. Some people visualize more easily than others. However, by feeding the imagination with stimulus, you can help the imagination to flourish, filling in any gaps of uncertainty. You might, for example, research the venue space by looking at photos or floor plans, if that information is available. You might consider an outfit that you'll wear, which can help you to see the rehearsal more vividly, even if your imagination has to creatively fill in the blanks. A simple and effective way to mentally rehearse is by choosing a piece of uplifting music or a playlist as stimulus, choosing music that resonates with you. Now find a place where you won't get disturbed and can have 5 to 15 minutes to yourself, which will give you the time and space to let your imagination flow. Listen to the music with your eyes closed, eliminating external visual distractions, which can always happen with your eyes open. Now enjoy imagining yourself at the venue, undertaking the physical aspects of your event. The key points including successful movement and action that you'll take from beginning, middle to end, mentally rehearsing and creatively including other people that you think you may interact with. Visualize this from your point of view, not as if you're watching someone else, and keep it positively focused on how you want it to be. We will now look at emotional mental rehearsal. This type of pre-rehearsal involves once again eyes closed, an uplifting piece of music of your choice, an undisturbed place and 5 minutes of your time. Instead of running the rehearsal visually, run it emotionally. If you are an actor, you will not be running the emotions of the character that feature in your rehearsal. Instead, you'll be experiencing your own emotions and feelings about the success of your performance. You will need to feel and hold the emotions of the rehearsal event in the way that you would like them to feel. To do this smoothly in 5 minutes, think firstly about how you would like to feel at the beginning of your rehearsal, and then hold that emotional state for 1 minute. Then quickly skip directly to a snapshot in the middle, holding a fresh emotional state for a further minute. Then focus predominantly on the end of the rehearsal for the final 3 minutes, focusing on how you would like to feel towards the end and actual end when it's all over. These emotions might be excitement at the beginning of the rehearsal, enthusiasm in the middle, and appreciation at the end. The emotional states of success are now energetically rehearsed and become dominant. Mental rehearsal of any kind takes self-discipline, time and practice, but it can be an enjoyable way to pre-prepare for a physical rehearsal and a future live event, which in time will yield more satisfying results, bringing the individual more confidence and overall success.